Thyme. Thyme is an herb with a strong aroma which has been used for many years for both culinary and medicinal purposes. This herb is prized for its distinctive scent and taste. It is part of the mint family and is renowned for its unique fragrance and flavor. Thyme has long been a staple in cooking, but it has also earned its place as a health-promoting herb. Its properties are said to assist with immunity and respiration, making it a helpful addition to one's diet. One of the key reasons thyme is considered a powerful immune booster is its rich content of essential vitamins and minerals. Thyme is known for its potent immune-boosting properties due to its wealth of essential vitamins and minerals. This citrus fruit is widely known for its ability to help boost the immune system. It is an excellent source of vitamin C, which is renowned for its immune-enhancing properties. Vitamin C stimulates the production of white blood cells, which are essential for defending against diseases and illnesses. Thyme is a herb that is known to provide health benefits. It is known to have compounds that can help boost the immune system. It also contains vitamin A, which helps to keep the skin, respiratory system, and mucous membranes healthy. Additionally, thyme is packed with antioxidants that play a vital role in strengthening the immune system. Thyme is an excellent source of antioxidants, which are essential for boosting the body's immunity. Antioxidants are essential for maintaining good health. They help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals, which can lead to oxidative stress and cellular damage. Thyme contains various antioxidant compounds, such as rosmarinic acid, terpenoids, and flavonoids, which contribute to its immune-boosting properties. Thyme's beneficial effects on the respiratory system have been recognized for centuries. The effects of herbs on the respiratory system have been known for centuries. It has expectorant and antitussive qualities, making it an excellent natural remedy for respiratory issues such as coughs, bronchitis, and congestion. Thyme helps to ease congestion in the airways and relax the muscles, making it easier to expel mucus and provide relief from coughing. The natural properties of certain elements can be used to fight off illnesses and speed up the healing process. For example, certain herbs have antiseptic qualities that can be beneficial for respiratory infections. Additionally, these herbs can help the body fight off. Furthermore, thyme exhibits antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it an effective tool against various pathogens. Thyme has been known for its various beneficial properties, including its antibacterial and antifungal effects. This natural remedy can be used to treat skin, wounds, and even oral issues. It is a powerful healing agent that can help soothe infections and promote healing. Thyme oil, extracted from its leaves, is commonly used on the skin to cleanse wounds and encourage healing. Its antimicrobial properties help to stop the proliferation and dispersion of dangerous bacteria and organisms. Thyme's versatility extends beyond its medicinal benefits. Thyme's utility extends beyond its medicinal properties. Herbs are an essential part of cooking. They provide a range of flavors and aromas to enhance the taste of many dishes. Herbs are often added to recipes to add a unique flavor and fragrance. They can be used in a variety. The leaves of this plant can be used fresh or dried, and its flavor adds a robust component to a variety of dishes. Its robust taste pairs well with various meats, vegetables, and sauces. Thyme is a key component of the renowned French herb mixture, herbes de Provence, and is often used in Mediterranean cooking. In addition to its culinary uses, thyme-infused teas and tinctures have become popular for their medicinal properties. In addition to its culinary applications, teas and tinctures infused with this herb have become popular for their medicinal benefits. Thyme tea can be made by steeping leaves in hot water. This herbal mixture is often taken to alleviate coughing, sore throats, and stuffiness. Thyme tinctures are alcohol-based extracts that can be used both topically and internally to promote health. When utilizing thyme for its health benefits, it is crucial to ensure its quality and purity. It is essential to guarantee quality and purity when using any herbal remedy for its health benefits. Organic and dried herbs are recommended to avoid any potential pesticide or chemical residues. Thyme is a popular herb with numerous health benefits and a pleasant flavor. It can be used in cooking to add flavor to dishes or taken as a supplement for its medicinal properties. Supplements in the form of capsules or oils are. Despite its numerous health benefits, it is important to note that thyme may interact with certain medications or cause allergic reactions in some individuals. Despite its numerous health benefits, it is important to take note that certain medications or allergies may interact with thyme. It is always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating herbal remedies into your daily routine. In conclusion, thyme is much more than just a flavorful herb used in cooking. In conclusion, thyme is a highly versatile herb that can be used for many different purposes. This powerful substance is a great help for the body. It enhances the immune system, supports the respiratory system, and contributes to the overall well-being. Thyme has a variety of nutritional benefits. It is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, which can help to boost the immune system and defend against illnesses. This herb has many medicinal and culinary uses. It is known for its expectorant and antibacterial qualities, making it a beneficial remedy for various respiratory issues. It also adds a unique flavor to numerous dishes. Incorporating natural elements into our lives can help us support our overall well-being. Thyme is one such element that can provide us with many beneficial properties.